Dear listeners, good day. Today I am honored to bring you a research report on the global electrical enclosures market. We will explore the overall size trends of the electrical enclosures market. According to the report, the global electrical enclosure market reached us 6-7 billion in 2022. In the future, this figure is projected to reach us 10-15 billion by 2028, representing an average annual growth rate of 7.51%. What are the key growth factors? According to the report, growing demand for electric vehicles, rising popularity of automated machinery and control systems, and increasing integration of smart technologies and monitoring systems in renewable energy projects are some of the major factors driving the market growth. What are the reasons for the predicted growth in these industries? What are the application areas of electrical enclosures in these industries? I will bring you the answers to these questions in the next issue. Thank you.